going on, guys? I am back with another video, and this time I am in Chester. I am heading home, and this video is kind of like a part 3 to the previous 2 that I posted. We're going on the back road towards Halifax. Eventually we'll hop on the highway. With all that said, what's going on, everybody? What type of bike you ride? Where you from? Drop it in the comments, let me know. And if you motovlog and you have a YouTube channel, drop the link in the comments as well, so that other people that watch my video can see yours and potentially even follow you. We're trying to build a community, guys, so share. It's getting dark, so it's a good time to test out the Osmo Action 4 night shooting capabilities. We're kind of in the back roads right now, so there's not much or any street lights, so it should be interesting to see. Now that it's getting darker out, it's also getting a little cooler, and I only have my sweater on, the armored sweater that I bought not that long ago. Jeez, I'm going 50 and it's 82 here. What am I doing? Oh my god, it's set on miles per hour. What the hell? When did I change that? There you go. I was wondering what the hell was going on. I was seeing speeds of like 70 and 80 kilometers an hour, and I'm looking down there and only showed like 50. But by me trying to adjust the trip meter, I changed it from kilometers to miles per hour. I'd like to get home before it becomes fully dark. Not that I'm like scared of riding at night, that's not the case. It's just would be nice to be home before the dark. I literally got off work at 4 today, got home, quickly ate and changed, and then I made my way to Bridgewater to my father-in-law's place to change the oil and filter on the bike. I have to say, guys, I really enjoyed myself today so far. I got off at 4 o'clock, and it's a Friday, so I don't have to work on the weekend. And I got home, I changed, and I got on the bike. And I made my way to Bridgewater right away. So I spent a good part of my evening on the bike. So I'm not complaining. I am definitely enjoying myself. Wow, this road is a little bit bumpy. It's not as smooth as going from my home bay to Chester. We should be getting close to Hubbard soon. And then we'll get on the highway from there and finish the rest of the way on it. Oh my god, look at that. Street lights. That's the first one that I seen in a bit. You know you're out in the back roads when you get excited when you see a street light. All right, let's see. I think we might be close to Hubbard's now. There should be a turn, Highway 103. Okay, here we go. All right, we are gonna get on the highway now, just to make some time up to get home. All right. Oh, they paved this one. That's good. Alright guys, it's been a fun day of motorcycling. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and with all that said, we are done for today. So be safe, ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.